Hola, ¿qué tal amigos? Les habla su amigo Joker Mods. Hoy les traigo otro nuevo video de lobby en online. Así que si quieren más lobby, suscríbanse a mi canal y encontrarán mucho contenido muy bueno. Así que nos vemos, hasta la próxima.
It's too many times that I wake up feeling dumb. Music got me staying up and feeling kinda numb. I gotta make a beat, man, I gotta bang a drum. I talk about this shit like I only did it once. Yeah, every time that I hit that flow, everybody in the room go, oh. Saying that, boy, no, just how to make that shit roll. Yeah, I'm good with this shit and I know it. I can be like other guys and call myself a poet, but honestly I see myself as somebody who clueless. Though these people get to tweeting when I'm dropping my new shit. You talking like, who's this? I know that you knew this. I'm known round here, don't get me started, you stupid. I bang that beat though, he talks so neat though. I've run this city since I turned 15, so I don't know what I have to say. Man, I kept it real and y'all are keeping it fake. I rep my city, but my city don't rep me. They talk shit, man, they out trying to best me. Y'all cannot attest me, I'm playing in the best league. My homies will not fuck with y'all unless you got the best weed. This is how it really is, this is how it really go. They thinking I'm Mexican, I'm more or less an Oreo. Words I meant to say, I meant to tell you what the fuck is up. This is all professional, don't do it for $100. Tell me when your money's up, if that ever happens. And if it never happens, I suggest you stop this rapping and embarrassing yourself. Detrimental to your health. You're in the wrong business if you're trying to build your wealth. Take a second to consider your position, cause I'm living what you're dreaming, and it's nothing like your vision. What's up?
It's on tonight, it's going on tonight. Talking all this shit, but we don't see it. It's on tonight, off tonight. Talking all this shit, but we don't see it. Baby girl, I'm on the road. Baby girl, I'm on the road. Hit me if you're down the road. Baby girl, I'm on the road. Baby girl, like
you know it's on tonight, you know it's on for life. You talking all that shit, but we don't see you. It's gonna be on tonight, you know it's on for life. You talking all that shit, but we don't see you. Baby girl, I'm on the road. Hit me if you down the road. Baby girl, I'm on the road. Hit me if you down the road. No more.
I'm fucking awesome, boy, it's fucking right. I just met your girl, I guarantee she let me fuck tonight. If she brought her friends with her, then all my homies with the shit. We gon' make me lazy, but that lazy flow gon' make me rich. They say that I sing too much, your girl love to sing my songs. I could write a diss to you, I bet she gon' sing along. I just brought my team along, Bobby brought some weed along. Brought that shit and take a hit, my steez is on $1 million. Yeah, and I ain't signing unless the money right. And I ain't capping unless the view is nice. It's 800 for the feature price. It's invite only, we gon' be alright. And your girl's invited too. Yeah, they said I changed from my last hit. All that's changed in my last bitch. Money, hoes, cars, clothes, typical for rap shit. What the fuck you think this is?